I'm Paul WANROOIJ from Emerald Performance Materials.
What brought you here to the Sustainable Cleaning Product Summit?
What I always see in my daily work is that sustainability gets more and more important, and in cleaning it's getting out of the niche to mainstream. That's how you see in the supermarkets on the shelves, but also like acquisitions of big players on the sustainable focused companies. And well, I was here back in 2017, and I think we have something new in the market. So then I was asked to come here and present that, to bring that to the world.
And what were the main points of your presentation?
Yeah, main points is why is preservation needed in home care products, and how is that related to sustainability, and what are the options to use and make that work, and at the end having a secure or safe product, but also in an ecological, consumer-friendly way.
Were there any topics that you found very interesting?
Yeah, definitely. Like the concepts of the other presentations. It's very inspirational or very focused. Where you can say, well, can we take this as an example as well for our company, but also as an individual, as a consumer or myself. How should I behave, or should I spend my money? So it was very, very nice. Good compilation.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.